iPhones are powerful, but not immune to issues. One common problem is the white screen of death, where the display turns white and unusable. If you're facing this, don't worry, here are 7 effective solutions to fix it. Part 1. Why is my iPhone 16 stuck on a white screen? Software issues. iOS 18 glitches may cause the white screen on iPhone 16. Failed jailbreak. A failed jailbreak can trigger a white screen. Hardware failure. Loose connections may also cause the issue. Part 2. How to fix white screen of death on iPhone 16. Fix 1. Use the triple finger tap. Fix 2. Remove iPhone battery. Fix 3. Force restart iPhone. Fix 4. Try iPhone white screen repair tool. If none of the above solutions can fix your iPhone white screen background issue, then it's time to seek help from a professional repair tool like iOS System Recovery. Step 1. Install and run iOS System Recovery on your computer. Now, connect your device to the computer using a USB data cable and select More Tools, iOS System Recovery on the software interface. Step 2. Select the Standard Mode option and then download the firmware package you need for your device online. This mode won't erase any of your iPhone data when fixing the iPhone screen goes white problem. Step 3. The tool will detect your iPhone information. Once it is accurate, click Repair and the firmware package download process will begin. Step 4. After the download is complete, restart your iPhone and you will find that the problem has been solved and the iPhone white screen has disappeared. Fix 5. Update or restore iPhone in recovery mode. Connect your iPhone 16 to your PC and open iTunes. Press volume up, volume down, then hold the side button until the PC icon appears in iTunes. Choose Update or Restore. Fix 6. Restore iPhone via DFU mode. Press volume up, then volume down. Hold the side button until the screen goes dark. Hold volume down and the side button for 5 seconds. Release the side button, then hold volume down for 5 seconds.